Welcome to the certificate course on Microsoft Office conducted by Department of Commerce. This is Professor Nagaratna. We are in module 1 and this is going to be your last session in your module 1 MS Office Word. So today let us see how to mail document, how to use Google Doc and the shortcut keys used in MS Word. So let us start the session by opening MS Word. As usual, I'm going to click on here MS Word. It is going to open. So I'm going to select blank page. So I am imagining here I'm going to invite people for college day celebration. So I have instead of typing and wasting our time, I have copied few information from the Google that I'm going to directly paste here. So this is wrong. Right click, honored. This is going to be our body of the letter, and in the end I'm going to write regards the principal of SFS college. Right, so this is going to be my letter. This letter or invitation I should give for send it for all other colleges. So we'll see how to send this particular letter at once to many people. So go to mailing option tab. So click on select recipients. You have three options. Either you can type new list, or you can use the existing list, or you can choose from Outlook contact. Type a new list means, see, for example, I'm going to click. You're going to give the title, first name, last name, company name, address, all these you're going to give. Or if you want to customize the option, you can customize the each column. So I'm not going to use new list. I've already type few information in my Excel sheet. I'm going to use that information. Say for example, you have all the data in your Excel sheet. You want to use that data to send mail. So I'm going to use select recipients, use an existing list. So I have saved my Excel sheet on my desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop, click contact. I'm going to open the contact. Here in my Excel sheet there are two sheets. So my contacts are in second sheet. So I'm going to select sheet 2. Done. Again go to mailing. I have selected from where I need information. Then I'm going to give greeting line. So I want dear sir or madam. So for everybody, see, I have totally 5 contacts, 6 contacts. For 6 contacts, the greeting line would be dear sir or madam. Then click on OK, or you can just use dear or to or none. And here what type of is it, Mr., Mrs., or just a name. All these option you can select. So I'm not going to select this. I'm going to select this, dear sir or madam. Then I am going to click OK. So before that you have to place the cursor where you need the particular information. So I'm going to press. So I want greeting line here. So I'm going to mailing. So greeting line should be sir or madam. So I'm going to put here. Next, above my greeting line I need address. So I'm going to insert the detail what I want. So first I need college name. So this I'll show you the Excel sheet first so that you can understand better. This is my contact. So I have two sheet. This is not a proper sheet, so I didn't do anything here. So I'm going to select it from sheet 2. So I have given header for each column. So I have 4 header. One is for college name, contact, mail ID and address. So same thing will appear here. So go to mailing option, insert mail field. So I want first college name. Then you can, if you want, you can have mail ID or address. So for example, press enter. Then below the college name I want mail ID, then press enter. Then I want contact number, then again you have to press enter. Then last final I want address of the college. This is how my sending address should be there. So this is how everything should be there. First I need college name, ID, contact number and the address. So I have totally 6 people. I want 6 letters to be sent in a same format. I don't want to type again and again. I don't want to copy paste. I don't want to mail it again and again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use mail option. I'm going to select the recipients first, then I'm going to give greeting line, then how my address should, whom I addressing, that name should be given here. Then after this you should click on start letter. So done. So everything is done. Now I'm going to click on finish merging. Once it is done, so you will get an option here whether to give individually, or do you want to edit individually, or print a document, or send the mail. Say for example, if I click on send the mail, so I have to click how do I send. So anyway I have mail ID, so I'm going to click on mail ID. So I'm going to send all, is it through text or attachment or HTML. So I'm going to give plain text, then from I'm going to enter all this detail, then I'm going to click. If you want to give subject line to your mail ID, you have to give your invitation for college mail ID. So I'm not going to send a mail now. I will show how each document will appear, which page will appear. So edit individually I'll give, or I'll give print document all. If you want to give print, you can give print. So how your print will come, I will show you that. Finish merging. I want few edition in individual documents, so I'm going to click here all. Okay, see, this is my college number 1. Same information. This is my first document. This is my second college with the address and the contact number. This is my third college with address and all other detail. This is my fourth college. See, the body of the letter is same, only the sending address is changing. Next I have the other college, Christ University. Likewise you can send it for 100 people also. If you have those data in this format in your Excel sheet, if you have this kind of information, you can send it for 100, 150, how much ever people you want, you can send at once. Just a single click, start mailing. If after entering all the details, finish merging, if you click on start mailing, everybody will receive with their respective names and address with the same information. They will get the mail. This is how you can do. So I'm going to show all other document. See, this is how your first page. See, come, see, you have last page. This is how you can send all the document at once. Next, this is how you can use mailing option in your Word to mail the your information to different people. Next, now let us see how to use Google Doc. I'm going to give save only. So on my desktop, is going to be my letter. Save. Yes, I'm going to replace it. So here, don't save. So how to use Google Doc? Go to Google. For that, first of all, you need to be logged in. So I have already logged in here. Click on this icon, come down, come down, come down. You can see various applications available here. Click on Docs. This is how you can use Google Doc. Like MS Word, you have similar kind of options here, like you have blank page, templates, all these options you can use here. Actually, Google Doc is a word processor, includes as part of the free web-based Google Editor suite offered by Google. The services also includes Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drawing, Google Forms, Google Site, Google Keep, etc. One of the major advantage or the benefit of using Google Doc is real-time edition. Say for example, you are doing project with your friend who is in Kerala. Okay, so you both are working together. You both want to do some edition, which both of you are correcting it. So how do you want to? You are in Bangalore, he is in Karnataka. Either you should send mail first, then you have to check, then you have to he has to send what correction you need to do, all those things. But when you are using this Google Doc, you can do real time. Both of you can access this document at the same time, and you can do the changes on the spot, which your friend can view from Kerala to Bangalore. This is one of the major advantage of using Google Docs. See here, you have file. See, whatever option you had in MS Word, you will have same options here also. You have edit, view option, insert option, format option, tools, add-ins. If you want any help, if you want any queries, you can have this alignments. Say I'm going to click on edit option. Find and replacement. You have alignment, text, colors, highlighter, all those, whatever the major option which we use in the MS Word, you can use those option using Google Doc. One second. Likewise, you have ready-made templates. See, these are the document which I have on my desktop, but you can open it. For example, so say for example, I'm going to click on this report. This is a ready-made report. Click on see science lab. So I'm going to save this. So when I save, see, I can share with the people whom I want to share. Say I have various mail ID. So if I want to share this to Lavin, I can just click on, so that you can just access a document through online. The only disadvantage of this Google Doc is you can use this particular document only when you have online connection, network connection. Otherwise you will not be able to use this particular document. These are the some of the features of Google Doc. Now let us see shortcuts used in MS Word. So these are the list of shortcuts used in MS Word. See, when you press Alt alt is in your keyboard. When you press alt, you can see the letters appearing here. Say for example, I want options in design. So if I want to options in design, without clicking on that, if I just press G, you can see those options available. Say I want theme, so you have to press TH, or else again go to alt G. I want on default setting, so press D. So these are the some of the shortcuts. So alt will give you which one to choose. Say I want quick access, you can choose 2. Say for example, I have menu, it's wrong, it is not giving so I want to do spell check. So what I can do, instead of going here, clicking here, do spell check, what I can do, I can just press function button and F7 button. So it will give, F7 is my shortcut to spell check. Then file menu, alt F will give you file menu, alt E will give you edit option. You have to press alt and E together, no need to press this plus, it shows together. Okay, so that is the reason plus is given here. So control A is select all, so I'm going to press control and A, select all. I want to make this text as bold, so control B, one second, control B is going to be bold. Then again, if I don't want that thing to be in bold, I can just again press control B. See, I'm not using anything here, I'm directly doing here. So I want to copy this particular text, I'm going to select control C and control V is paste. So I'm going to paste here, control V is paste, whatever copied there will be paste here. Then I want this to be in italic, so select that particular line, press control I. So if I want to insert any link, control K, so I have to select the link. Then underline, I want to underline the text, select the text, control U will be your underline. Then see, you have various options. I want to move left, so I'm going to see, I'm not going to do anything with the mouse, press control and your left arrow to go left, right arrow to go right. By holding control you can press right arrow or left arrow, or you want to come down, you can hold the control and you can move around the document. You want to go to the end of the document, control end will give you, press control end, you can go to end of the document. Next, you want to increase the size of the letter, so control shift increase and decrease. So that symbol, increase and decrease symbol, you have to press, you at the time you have to hold control shift, then increase and decrease. This is how, these are the shortcut keys you can use in MS Office. Next, see, if you want to go end, you have to press control end, go to the first page. You are in 510th page, but you want to go to first page, just press control home, it will take you to the first page of your document. Next, if you want double line in your text, so you have to press control 2, you will have that 2 line spacing. If you want one line 1.5 spacing, you have to click on control 5. This is how you can give, instead of going here home, then go here, click here, instead of doing this, you can do this easy options available for you. Then to save document, control yes. Then if you want to, if there are other options available to save, that is F12, or you can do shift F12 to save. These are the options you can see as a shortcut key. So I'm going to share this document in your Google Classroom so that you can use this for your future reference. So control Z is undo, control, see here you have undo for undo, control Z, and control Y is for redo. If you want to get that option again, deleted option again, you can, or modified option in the normal back, before doing however it was, you want it in the previous format, you can do control Y. So use all these shortcuts, it will be easy for you to work, so that your work will be completed very soon. Instead of using mouse, you can use this shortcut so that your work will get over very soon. You can save your time. With this, our last module is in the first module is over, and after this we are going to have one quiz. Based on all these 7 videos, we are going to have one quiz for 30 marks, wherein I will ask 15 questions. Each questions carry 2 marks. Thank you all for your valuable time given to my course. Thank you very much.